I'm starting with applying some Nars Soft Matte Concealer. I love to use this as a base all over my eyelid because I do have more of a dry skin there, and I feel like concealers kind of prime but at the same time are not making my skin worse or a bit more dry. So for me this works. And I also love how the eyeshadows kind of stick to the concealer better. I have this palette. This was sent to me from Fenty Beauty, so this is a PR sample, and this is in 10 Money, and it's very greenish greenish base, as you can see, and I want to create something with this. It's a beautiful palette. If you like greens, this will be definitely something for you. I probably have something similar already in my collection, although I would say these two, in my opinion, are quite unique, these two shades. Take a little bit of this browny kind of shade. It's again kind of like a dirty brown shade, and I will try to apply this in here. So I'll have more of a V-shaped shadow situation in here, and I will try to blend this and then the olivey color together. I will just blend it a little bit, not too much. And when I do this kind of eyeshadow eyeliner thing, I like to blend it really well and then reapply the shadow because a lot of the pigment just goes away. And with the same brush, I'm taking this olivey shade and blending the two together. So I want kind of a browny, olivey shadow in here. And I think the combination of these two is just perfect. Okay, so I was thinking about what should I use in the crease, and although I'm really drawn to this gold or this emerald green, I think I found a better shadow to apply. Mint For You from Colourpop. I love this one so much, and it's creamy texture. So I'm just taking a little bit of this with my finger and then applying it basically all over the eyelid. Not really pigmented, I don't want this to be extremely pigmented, just to be like a wash of something. And I'm just trying to concentrate more of the product here, really close to the lash line, in the center or in the middle of the eyelid, and then the rest I just blend with a clean finger. Continuing with the face, I would just clean the lines in here with my brush, just a little bit, and then later I will clean them again with some concealer. I will use a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream because I really love this before I apply my makeup. How it just makes the skin smooth and plump. This and also my E.L.F. face oil are probably my favorite kind of face primers that I use at the moment. But they do, but they're different. The face oil is making my skin a little bit different than this cream. They both hydrate, they both make the foundation application and how the skin looks underneath just really flawless. But I would definitely suggest the face oil when you have maybe dry patches, rough skin. I will apply my Nars Radiant Foundation. I haven't used this foundation in a while, but I still love it. It's kind of like an OG universal foundation for me. Has a really nice coverage. You can control it. For example, if I'm using the sponge right now, I can make it a bit more sheer, or if you want, you can apply more and make it a bit more full coverage. Of course, using again my Nars soft matte creamy concealer. Just underneath my eyes, and also I have some like redness in here, so to kind of correct that. Just to set my under eyes and my T-zone, Givenchy Prisme Libre, which is my favorite loose powder at the moment. This is a cheaper Huda brush. I'm just using this powder underneath my eyes, T-zone. So it kind of mattifies these areas in which I have the volume. So it makes them look a bit more smoother in a way. But again, I don't apply too much. I'm also using a little bit of my Tantour in Fair from Huda Beauty, blending it, and then applying it on my face. Contour, bronze, blush, all in one. And as a highlighter, I'm using my JennyHouse highlighter. This is in the beige color, and I do love this so much. It's more of a like a creamy, really dewy kind of cream you see in here, and I like to blend it again and apply it on my cheekbones. It just gives me that healthy glow without looking too much shimmery, artificial. Just looks beautiful. As a mascara, I'm using Push Up Lashes Pillow Talk Mascara from Tilbury. It has a flat side of the brush and then one with bristles. So you apply the product with the flat one and then brush it with the silicone bristles. So this way it's black, has lots of product on, but still gives you lots of definition. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!